fraction into percentage. What is meant by fraction? A fraction which represents the part of a whole. So in this, the ratio of A by B is called fraction. So A is numerator, B is denominator. The denominator which tells about the number of equal parts in which something is divided. So fractions are so many types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. So we can simply remember by the ratio of A by B. We have to convert it into percentage. So while we are converting it into percentage, the denominator value should be in 100. So fraction, so 3 by 100, so we can take that 3 by 100. 3 by 100 is a fraction. The denominator value is 100. So we can say that, simply say that 3 percentage. Okay, and then 24 by 100. The denominator value is 100. It is fraction. The denominator value is 100. We can simply say that 24 percentage. So let's take one example for that. So I will take 3 by 4. I will take 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a fraction. We have to convert it into percentage. Okay, so I will do one thing. So the denominator is not in 100. So I will do one thing is I will multiply and divide with 100. So, and then on multiplying and dividing with 100, I am not disturbing the denominator value is 100. So 425 times. Okay, so 3 into 25, 75 by 100. Okay, 3 into 25, 75 by 100. So I already told that the denominator value is must and should be in 100. So I can simply say that 75 percentage. Okay, let's take another example. 1 by 2. So in 1 by 2 is a fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. So the denominator is not in 100. So I will do one thing. Multiplying and dividing with 100. Okay, so I am not disturbing the denominator value 100. I am only disturbing other values. Okay, I am only disturbing the other values. So 250 times. So 1 into 50, 50. Okay, 50 by 100. That means we can say that 50 percentage. Okay, 50 percentage. So I will take one more example. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a fraction. Okay, so the denominator value is not in 100. So I am doing multiplying and dividing with 100. Okay, on multiplying and dividing I am not disturbing the denominator value 100. Okay, 425. So 25 by 100, 25 by 100 equal to 25 percentage.